Hi there, I'm really excited to share with you today a demo of the new chaining feature inside Traycer. I have in front of me a function which computes the average of an array of numbers. Let's say I want to refactor this function to make it more modular and break it apart into helper functions so as to handle edge cases more elegantly. Let me write a query to do that. Refactor the process data function, break it into helper functions, handle edge cases more elegantly, and I'm gonna tag this file and let's generate plan. Traycer has come back with the plan. It's going to break apart this function into 3 different helper functions, and at a high level this is looking good to me. I'm gonna click on generate. Traycer has come back with the changes. Let's apply them. This is looking good. I see all these functions here. Validate data, extract numeric values, calculate average. Let's make sure everything is working as before. So I have a unit test case which I can run to make sure the functionality is as before. The test case is passing, which is great. But let's say I want to update the unit tests to not just test the root function but also to test the helper functions. Now I can do that using task chaining, so I don't have to build up the context all over again. Context is automatically picked up from the previous tasks in a chain. I can simply say chain a task, update unit tests to include the newly created helper functions. And here we go. Traycer has spun up another task in the chain. I can even see the history here, go back to the previous one, basically get a read-only view on the previous task, and then jump to the latest one over here. Traycer has come back with the plan. It's going to update the test cases. Also, it's going to update the original file to add some exports there to make sure they're available in the test file. Let's go ahead and generate the changes. Traycer has come back with the changes. Let me apply them. Here are the exports from the original file, and here are test cases for all the different helper functions. Now that the test cases have been updated, let's try running the test again to see if it passes. And here we go. All the test cases passed. As you can see, earlier there were 4 test cases, now there are 19. Traycer tasks makes it very convenient to carry forward the context from your previous tasks. You can easily decompose your larger task into smaller ones and then chain them together to do large scale changes across your entire code base. We're really excited to see what you build next with task chaining. Thank you.